How'd you get the hiccups anyway?
I can't remember what.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, I got the hiccups because I didn't feel very good last night, so I got the hiccups.
That's how you got the hiccups? Well, what works for you to get rid of the hiccups?
Maybe a doctor had to fix my hiccups.
A doctor?
Yeah.
This is serious. Like Dr. Seaport?
Yeah.
Do you think your cat can help you?
Yeah. Actually, a doctor can.
What would you like the doctor to do? If you were the doctor, what would you do?
I'm not a doctor. I'm a kid.
Well, I know, but what do you think a doctor would do?
Check my temperature.
Feels good to me. What else would he do? Give you a shot in the butt?
No.
Oh, no, that's a pit. You got a shot in the leg, didn't you?
Yeah, and 2 shots.
2 shots. What were they for? Were you sick?
Yeah.
You were?
Last night I was sick.
You were? What happened? How'd you feel?
Kind of. What's that?
I think it's a star.
Maybe it's a...
Okay, grasshopper. Let's get this baby to work. It's an earthquake. Why is it bouncing? You're killing me.
Come on.
Oh, people. What am I going to do? Okay, let's explore. Maybe it's already on here. Where would you like to go? In the whole earth. Where would you like to go?
To the moon.
You're killing me. I said, in the whole earth, where would you like to go?
To the moon.
Okay. Do you see why I'm having a problem with that? Where is the moon? Is it in the earth?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you watching on television? Are you watching a lot of cartoons? You don't watch TV, do you?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to watch?
I like Candy Mandy.
Candy Mandy? That sounds just dandy. How come I can't find this?
This is like a shot.
Or a pen.
Or like a shot. Like...
When you grow up, what are you going to be?
I'll just type my name.
You want to type your name?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Type it.
L.
Yep, it's up here.
Oh.
Comes next.
A?
Correct?
Which one? What?
What one comes next?
This one?
Is there a C in your name? Nope. L-A.
Oh. What is it?
N. Down here. And what's the last letter in your name? E. Up there. And what does it spell?
L-A-N-E.
Peters. Actually, your name is just Lane, but we call you Laners.
I want to spell my other name.
Laners, or what? You want to spell your middle name?
Yeah.
First of all, what is your middle name? Do you remember?
Wes.
Lee.
What?
Wesley.
And Wesley.
W.
W. Me.
Troubles?
Yeah.
Where's the W?
I don't know.
Well, look. It's not on my face.
There it is.
There it is. Okay. E.
I don't see it.
It's up there.
No, where's the last letter?
W-E. Where's the E? S. S as in Sam. As in snake. As in silly. As in seaweed. Sugar. Seaport. All right.
Yep.
L. What starts with L? What words start with L?
Rain.
Yes, Lane does. I didn't even think of that. How about loony?
No, that's not my letter.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so W-E-S-L. Now we want another E.
Okay. Not another one.
You put 2 E's, foo-foo. Here, now we use the back button, the delete.
Oh,
Just hit it one time.
get out here.
No, it'd be nice. One time.
I can't see it.
This one starts with a D. Good job. And now we end your name with a Y. Where is the Y?
Oh.
Why, oh why can I not find a Y? Why would there not be a Y on the keyboard? Where is it? And you're done. What are you going to do? Hit it with your nose? Which one are you going to choose? Which one's the Y? Could it be that one? Yep. Good job. Now hit enter and see if you're on Google.
I can't see.
This is enter. Now this is interesting. This is very interesting. Here's a Lane Wesley. Lane Wesley Burt. Homestar takes another step forward.
No, I don't.
This is what you do. You Google yourself. Oh, here, you're on LinkedIn.
Oh, no, not.
You actually live in Sacramento, California.
Okay, not again. Don't tell me that again.
Okay.
Don't do this. I don't like you.
What?
I don't like you. I like Jim the best.
Take that back.
Oh, do take that back.
Jim never taught you how to make cookies. Jim doesn't make videos of you.
Oh, yeah. You can.
Yeah, I do. I actually have a purpose in life.
No, he does.
What does Jim do that's so stinking special?
I know.
He plays ball. There's more to life than ball.
You play ball with me, too.
Yes, I do. But not as good as Jimmy.
No, you don't.
Jimmy cracked corn. I don't care.
I don't.
We gotta go to Google Earth. What's the problem here, people?
Oh,